I'm Chuck Pippin from iKonBoats, and today we're going to talk about how to properly mount an external transducer so that it doesn't interfere with the overall performance of your iKon bass boat. Whether it's a Victory Series or a Legend Series, or whether you're mounting it directly to the hull or on a jack plate bracket like you see in these two pictures, the most important factor is to make sure that you don't mount the transducer too low. As you'll notice in the image on the left, the bottom of the transducer actually extends below the bottom of the hull, which can create drag and interrupt the flow of water through the propeller. The result can be reduced overall performance and loss of top-end speed. The image on the right is of the same transducer. From this angle, you can see how far it extends below the transom step. This boat had two external transducers. The first I showed you was mounted on the starboard side of the jack plate. This is the second one that's mounted on the port side, also too low and extending below the hull bottom. When a wide open throttle, these transducers caused unnecessary drag, which resulted in almost a double-digit reduction in top-end speed. Let's take a look at my personal boat. This is a 2025 iKon VLE 21. This is the side imaging transducer that's attached to my Humminbird APEX 16. It's mounted directly to the transom using the provided Humminbird factory mount. While it does drop about 1 inch below the transom step, it does not extend below the hull bottom. Try to avoid mounting any external transducers near the center of the transom, as this could also impact the direct flow of water off the hull bottom on its way to the propeller. You'll notice mine is mounted on the right or starboard side of the jack plate, and the top of the bracket is butted up to the bottom of the Bob's Machine jack plate. You'll notice here there are no parts of the transom or any other equipment that are obstructing the transducer's reading from the right or left. There's a variety of available aftermarket transducer mounts that will bolt directly to your Bob's or Atlas jack plate. If you choose to use one, try to minimize as much as possible the distance the bottom of your transducer extends below the transom step, and definitely try to avoid installing it where it will extend below the hull bottom. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other how-to videos on our website at iKonBoats.com or on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.